Welcome to the Fizzy Show.
Wow, Fizzy, look! There's a fin! It's a dolphin! Oh, Fizzy, it's a baby dolphin!
Yeah, we need to get her back in the water, Phoebe.
Oh, she didn't swim.
I think we need to investigate. Fizzy the Pet Vet to the rescue. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo, Busy, Bob.
What's her name?
Her name is Daphne. Daphne the Dolphin.
Aww. Ooh, Miss Hands, Fizzy, Daphne, and I are gonna need a hand.
Hi, Fizzy and Phoebe. Oh, hello, Daphne the Dolphin. Look at you, you're covered in seaweed. I think we need to give you a bath.
Here, Miss Hands, I'll put them in. Whoops, I nearly missed the bath.
Thanks for the beads, Phoebe. Now let's give this little dolphin a wash. Get rid of all that seaweed. And I'd better go under your fin here, too. Ooh, that's a big piece. Look at that. Bit more water there. And let's take this bit off. Oh, look, we got it. We got it. Look at that.
Yeah, add soap.
Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of soap here into the bath. There we go. Whoa, I think I may have added a little too much here. Look how many bubbles we have. Daphne, you're going to be sparkling clean. Here we go. Let's use some of this soap here on your little nose. You are going to smell so fresh, Daphne. Oop, you don't want to get soap in your eye. Let's take that down there. Let's get some of these beads out from these bubbles. Does that feel nice? I think it does. Oh, mind your fin, Daphne. Did you know that dolphin fins are used for movement to help them navigate the ocean?
Whoa, that's so cool.
Let's wash some of this soap off of you, Daphne. We don't want to have any left when we get out of the bath. And we use some more beads up here. And just rinse that away. There we go. Good work, everyone. We have one very clean baby dolphin.
But we still need to check the little one to make sure she's okay before we find her mama or her papa.
Yay, Pet Vet can help.
That's right, Phoebe. We definitely can.
Fizzy, I got some stuff.
Whoa, Phoebe. Let me give you a hand. Okay, I need to check her heart rate.
Is it going ba-boom, ba-boom, ba-boom?
I don't know, Phoebe. I can't hear it. All I can hear is you.
Oh, well, let me listen. I'll be able to hear it.
No, Phoebe. It's my turn. Right, here we go. Okay, the heartbeat sounds normal to me.
But I want to go.
Okay. Why don't we take it in turns? Phoebe, can you check the dolphin's temperature, please?
Oh, I can do that. Daphne looks a little chilly.
I have an idea. Good job, Phoebe. Okay, Fizzy, what's next?
We need to do an x-ray to make sure there's nothing wrong inside.
Awesome idea.
What's that there? Oh, no, wait. That's just part of the dolphin. Hey, Phoebe, did you know that each dolphin has its own unique whistle? How cool is that?
That's really cool. Oh, and they swim super fast.
They do, Phoebe. Wait a minute, that's giving me an idea. We need to check her fin. Phoebe, why don't you check it?
Me?
Yeah, Phoebe, I think you should.
Wow, thanks, Fizzy. This is awesome sauce. I can't see it.
But try moving a little further away, Phoebe.
Huh? Oh, like this?
Yeah, there you go. You got it.
Ooh, it looks like her fin is swollen.
Huh? Oh, yeah, you're right, Phoebe. I didn't spot that. Aw, poor Daphne.
We need to help her, Fizzy.
Yeah, I agree, Phoebe. Let's give her a Band-Aid.
A unicorn Band-Aid!
Okay, first we need to wipe the fin to make sure it's clean.
Here we go, Daphne. Let me clean your boo-boo for you.
Well done, Phoebe. Now we can put our Band-Aid on her sore fin.
Look, I can put it gently on her fin like this. Aw, she looks so happy. I wonder where her mama is, Fizzy.
Let's go and find her.
Aw, I think she wants to swim, Fizzy.
It's good we helped fix her fin.
Oh, I think she spotted her mama.
Daphne, we're so glad you found her.
Enjoy your swim and your fixed fin. Well done, Fizzy the Pet Vet.
Aw, well done, Phoebe the Pet Vet.
We make an awesome team.
Yep, we sure do. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time.